Hey, I'm Chris Whitehurst from Berkshire Hathaway-RW Town Home Services, and this is Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Hey, this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. I truly believe knowledge is power, so go ahead and subscribe, ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and you don't want to miss a single one. This is episode 161, and we're going to be talking about earnest money versus due diligence money. This is a term that's going to show up on both sides of the equation, regardless of whether or not you're a seller or a buyer. But to be honest, it's often misunderstood. Earnest money is often considered good faith money. It shows you're a serious buyer and have some skin in the game. It definitely counts towards the purchase price, but if you terminate the deal before the inspection period ends, you're going to get these earnest money funds back. Due diligence is a little bit different. It's money given straight to the seller once the offer is accepted. It counts towards the overall purchase of the home, but if the buyer terminates at any point, that money is forfeited and stays with the seller. A bonus term for you here this week is escrow agent. The escrow agent is the third-party person typically responsible for holding on to the earnest money until closing. In our local market, typically one of the real estate attorneys. If you like these videos, you can check out past episodes and other great content over on the YouTube channel. All the other videos are there, as well as a lot of information specific about our local market and our local area. If you want to connect with me directly, please do so at 252-312-2263 or check me out over on Facebook. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.